Yellow River Forest? Is that where we are?
That's where we are.
Oh. Here's some trees and a road. And
That looks promising.
we don't know where we're going.
Over here.
Or where.
Oh, packet pickup. Definitely a race out.
Oh my gosh, can we crash this 5K? I really want to crash this 5K.
I don't know if we can.
Also, I hope we don't run into a bunch of runners on the side. We made it to the place!
Woo!
We found a map of this damn
We're
place.
in New York here.
Is there a star? Do we know?
This was a big campground. We left there and turned this direction. We're probably somewhere here.
Don't know. Woohoo!
For those of you that are doing one of these races for the first time with
Yeah.
our social distancing setup, the way it's going to
I
work
really want to crash this
in
5K.
front of you has 10 flags.
I saw a sign, and it said some sign shit.
Still on White Pine Trail. Yay! We did it.
Yay, we're on the same damn trail. What?
Friends of Yellow River State Forest featured trail. Camp Glen Wendell.
Drinking your water.
The orange flags mark the 5K. Or 10K, or whatever the hell they are.
I don't know.
They didn't have a very big turnout.
I want to judge them for running in a 5K during a pandemic on Labor Day weekend.
Is there special reasons now?
There are.
I think you're
She's
supposed to go
doing-
this way if you're the 5K.
5K went the wrong way. We're judging her. She's doing so good. Found some corn. So you know that we're in Iowa. We should make our own corn maze. Decided to take us through a cornfield because there was no trail. So we're yellow blazing. I don't know what.
We're doing the walk.
We're doing the walk. Now we're gonna walk this way, and there's gonna be no more corn. We're no longer children of the corn. We're back on trail, question mark. Pretty flowers. Yep, we get it. Love you. We found an open field
With corn!
with more corn.
Ah, corn!
Haha.
I like the corn.
The hills are alive, the sound of corn. So, guess we'll find a trail someday. But this is Iowa, where there's like 0.5 miles of trail and then a cornfield.
Found the trail.
For no reason. There's the corn we went through and we're children of.
Hate it.
Jacob hates it.
Makes my leg itchy.
Well, you shouldn't have deviated from the trail.
The trail said go check out this corn.
Did it,
trusted
though?
The trail.
Did it though?
Yeah, look. The trail registered says check out his corn.
Okay. More 5K runners.
Like it was wearing a corset, multiple spots. And it kind of got smushed.
Yeah.
That's neat. Other runner.
Go, go, go. Go, goes. So we've been skiing down muddy hills. This is the first one that's sort of not steep that I can. Is
Bridge. Very deep, actually.
bridge, 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 bridge. All Spock stairs.
Like 80% certain. Oh. More milkshake.
We just went pee. Yay! We did it so good in the porta potties. Kind of in the porta potties. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to lunch. We're going to go find a place to eat pasta salad. And be married, right? Ooh, this fun. We found the tent. What? Under the bench. We found a
Found the lunch bench.
We found a lunch bench. Is it dedicated? Oh, thank you, Lyle. We're gonna eat pasta salad on you and put up butts on your bench. We found some amazing pasta salad. Fan up the water?
Yeah.
Nom 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 nom.
Fill the water with the water.
Oh yeah. Drying out my feet. I forgot extra socks, so I'm gonna put these wet ass bitches back on. And I made tea in my unicorn mug. We found a sign. To Cedar Point Overlook. So we're gonna go find it. Anyway.
Fire tower, that way.
Fire tower? Do you want fire tower?
That way, fire tower.
Okay. We're fire towering instead?
Okay.
We'll go to both. We'll do things.
Do this one first.
Okay. Aww. Poke it. Hi, buddy. Why are you blowing on him? Roly McPoly face. Hi.
Oh.
What?
It pooped on me.
Ha ha ha! Poopy millipede. Want to put him back into nature? Want to get revenge for him pooping on you? Give it COVID?
Do I poop on it?
Do you poop on it? An eye for an eye. A poop for a poop. Are you gonna have him forever?
I'm waiting for him to start walking. He's figuring it out, or she, it, whatever.
Don't assume it's pronouns. Authorized personnel only. It's bullshit, buddy. Bullshit. I want to play in the fire tower. This tree has stuff. It's got gout. Gout tree. We love you, gout tree. Ready to do the walk walk? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a. I don't know if I can see it through here. But this is the overlook. We made it to this place. And this is the view. And that's a bug. And there's my finger in a video. This is more of Northeast Iowa. Made it! I found some poles, some hiking poles. They were free. They're real nice. They're made of something, some kind of wood. They make hand blisters, but that's okay. I do the hikes. We've done how many? 7, almost 8 miles.
Yes.
And don't fall in the ditch. And so we're going back home. We're gonna maybe go get some wine. Gonna maybe go to a flea market to buy some fleas. And I'm gonna use these sticks to walk with, like an old crotchety man.
I'm glad you have crotchety man sticks.
I have crotchety man sticks. Bet you wish you had crotchety man sticks too. I am trying out my socks. I thought I was pretty smart. The map squiggle on the map. We did it. We did 9 miles. And now we're gonna go get some wine. Bye.